Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the server is installed and the binary is on your path. This lets you invoke the client directly. Open a terminal window now, Bash, PowerShell, or CMD, because the command line is required. Type MySQL you root P and press Enter. This is the single command that begins the MySQL command line client session. You use U to specify the user and P to prompt for a password so credentials aren't exposed on screen. Once prompted, enter your password. Characters won't echo, which is normal for security. If connecting remotely, add your host and P3306 to the MySQL command to target a specific server and port. For local Unix systems, specify socket equals /path/ to /MySQL. Sock when your socket isn't the default. You can also supply an option file with defaults file equals path to avoid typing credentials. These flags control where and how the client connects. So after successful authentication, you're at the MySQL prompt and can run queries or switch databases with use DB name. Finish the session with exit or quit. If connection fails, first verify the MySQL service is running, systemtil status Mysql or check the process list. Make sure the user has host permissions, confirm the correct socket or port, and check firewall rules. If authentication errors persist, reset credentials or use an admin account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.